Welcome to Case Doncaster, our world-class centre of excellence for tractor assembly. We guarantee that today will be an enlightening and revealing experience that you will never forget. When you leave us, you will go with the confidence that Case Doncaster will be providing you with the best tractors in their class, delivering consistently high quality to meet the needs of today and tomorrow. As you are guided through our plant, you will be reassured that our processes and facilities compete with the best that the industry has to offer. You will witness the friendliness and commitment of our entire workforce. And you will also recognize that we have something special here, a world-class level of flexibility and design that puts us at the leading edge of technology. But before you explore further, please sit back as we give you an exciting overview of Case Doncaster.
Welcome to Case and the Doncaster European Centre of Excellence for Tractor Assembly. During this short video, we'll tell you all about the Doncaster facility. But first, we're going to look at the global Case picture to find out how the corporation serves its customers worldwide and where Doncaster fits in. The dew may still be on the fields in Iowa. The frost may be glistening on the ground near Sydney, and the morning mist may just be rising outside Paris. As dawn breaks around the world, Case customers, farmers and contractors rise to meet the challenges of a new day. Planting, cultivating, harvesting, excavating, clearing, moving. For more than 150 years, Case has helped feed and build the world, from Bonn to Beijing, and all points between, on 7 continents, in more than 150 countries, through more than 4,500 dealers, we meet the needs of our customers, one by one. The Case Corporation builds machines at its assembly facilities strategically positioned around the world. And the Doncaster Assembly Plant is the European Centre of Excellence for Assembly, building for the European, Asia-Pacific and worldwide markets. But where will we find the beginnings of this multinational company, and how has it come to be building tractors in Doncaster? Well, it was in 1842 that Jerome Increase Case, an American farmer, founded Case. From humble beginnings, his company quickly gained a reputation for building threshing machines and steam engines for agricultural use. Such a reputation, in fact, that over the ensuing years, Case built more of these 2 machines than any other manufacturer in history. Even back then, Case prided itself in keeping up with emerging technology, starting production of petrol engine tractors as early as 1895, and building the first self-propelled combine harvester in 1959. By this time, the company had also entered the construction business, building the first ever complete backhoe loader. An important step, because today, Case are the world's biggest producer of these universal machines. Steady growth and a global approach to the marketplace led Case to acquire the International Harvester Company in 1985. As part of this takeover, Case inherited Harvester's Doncaster plant, and so acquired over 50 years of local engineering skill and expertise in the manufacture of agricultural and construction machines. There's been a tractor building plant in Doncaster since 1939, when construction on the Wheatley site first began. Here was an ideal location, with the advantages of a major north-south railway line and adjacent British Rail engineering plant. A comprehensive canal and road network giving easy access to the major ports of Hull and Liverpool. Close proximity to Sheffield Steelworks, and, not least, a ready and able engineering workforce. The first tractor to be built on this site was the Farmall Model M, and since 1939, over 300,000 tractors have been built here. Indeed, if you include other machines such as ploughs and combines, over the years, more than 1 million units have begun their working lives on the Wheatley site. In more recent years, Doncaster's role in the global Case structure has been crystallized as the European Centre of Excellence for tractor assembly, building the machines that Case customers around the world demand. Whether it's 2- or 4-wheel drive, a deluxe cab with air conditioning, or a basic platform with just a seat and mudguards, Case Doncaster will build the tractor required to the customer's individual specification from the very best components. To meet the demands of this new, prestigious role, many changes have been made on site following an enormous amount of input from the workforce and a major $16 million reworking of the assembly process. As a consequence, Case Doncaster today is one of the most modern assembly facilities anywhere in the world. Let's take a closer look at how the production process works here at Doncaster. Customer orders are received from our dealer network, complete with exact specification and delivery requirements. From these orders, a coordinated production schedule is compiled, which sets an assembly date for each tractor and ensures that all the required components are ordered from our suppliers, who deliver on a just-in-time basis directly to the main production line. Transmission units arrive from Saint-Dizier, France, and it's their placement on our pre-delivery conveyor that marks the beginning of the assembly process. From here, a 3.5-meter wide, 15-station in-floor conveyor progresses the transmission down the line for assembly and dressing to the customer's specification. Complete access to the product is provided for the operators as they ride on this continually moving conveyor, staying with the transmission during the assembly process. Fully tested engines are shipped directly to Doncaster, where they're fed to our line via an overhead delivery system and engine dress conveyor. Having progressed down this accumulating roller conveyor, prepared engines are delivered to the transmission docking station, where engine meets transmission for the first time. With engine, front axle, rear and front hitch units assembled, the transmission is now suspended, ready for underside assembly operations and the painting process. But before our tractor sees one spot of paint, it's going to benefit from our new and unique $1 million transmission run room system, designed to fully test and interrogate the transmission for functionality. Units are delivered to one of 4 test benches. Released from the suspension chains, the unit is filled with oil, pre-warmed to a temperature of 40 degrees centigrade, ready for testing. As well as being preheated, the high-tran oil is also filtered 3 times during the test cycle. And to further simulate actual operating conditions, the oil system is pressured to 100 bar. This is the kind of pressure a tractor experiences when lifting and operating an implement such as a plough. Aided by high-intensity ultraviolet lights, the test operator carefully checks for oil leakages or functional problems present before the unit is once more attached to the overhead conveyor system for carriage to the pre-treatment and paint facility. To ensure a superior paint finish, Doncaster now has the most advanced tractor paint facility in the world, which includes a 7-stage paint pre-treatment facility, followed by 3 purpose-built spray booths for the application of a primer, an underside top coat, and a topside top coat. Electrostatic paint guns, 1,000 lux lighting, and a world-class delivery system eliminate the possibility of any blind spots for the paint sprayer. Our highly durable, precision-mixed, 2-pack polyurethane paint features a low solvent content which, while making it environmentally friendly, also provides a controlled, superior coating. The whole paint and assembly process is coordinated by a computer-controlled system console, providing vital energy and process information. Having left the drying ovens and cooling zone, the tractor is dropped vertically onto another in-floor conveyor for final assembly of fuel tanks, wheels, front-end weights, and of course cabs. Pre-assembled cabs from the case plant in Croix, France, are fed onto our cab dress facility, where a powered conveyor system progresses multi-purpose assembly trolleys designed for maximum safety and operator comfort. Following a computer-controlled electrical check, which validates all electrical systems on any variation of cab, this offline cab facility provides fully dressed and tested cabs to the main line. Once the cab is fitted, final assembly of wheels, hood sheets, and other ancillary parts is completed, and the tractor is driven for the very first time off the line and into final testing. Performance checks of the transmission, engine, and other subsystems occur on the rolling road. Following a final check in the shipment preparation area, our tractors are ready for the world market. Custom built to exacting specifications, ready to provide a lifetime of reliable service wherever their new owners are in the field. Case is committed to providing world-class after-sales support. Our fully trained dealer mechanics and parts supply organization use modern computer technology to provide our customers with a quick and professional service. And our distribution network is further supported by a team of field-based case service engineers. The Customer Service Centre, based on site at Doncaster, offers expert advice on scheduling customer orders, service parts availability, and technical inquiries relating to any of our products. Choosing to buy a Case product is just the start of the relationship. As a Case customer, we're committed to helping you maximize the productivity and success of your business by providing superior products and services. At Case Doncaster, we're committed to leading our industry by putting Doncaster on the world map as a centre of excellence for tractor assembly. And we're committed to our people. Every worker on the Wheatley site has made a major contribution and investment in the success of this plant. And through a program of teamwork, continual training, and expansion of the Investors in People scheme, we aim to maximize the potential of all our employees. We're happy to have you with us and hope that you'll enjoy your visit today and support us into the future. Welcome to Case Doncaster, the European Centre of Excellence for Tractor Assembly.